Hello, curious minds. Today, we're diving into one of humanity's most fascinating inventions, the clock. From early natural methods to atomic clocks, measuring time has been key to the progress of civilizations. Ready to travel through time? Let's go! Since prehistoric times, humans used the sun, moon, and stars to measure time. The earliest devices, like gnomons, were simple but effective. These evolved into sundials, which marked hours using shadows. In ancient Egypt, obelisks divided the day into two parts. Later, around 1500 BCE, they invented water clocks or clepsydras, which measured time through the regulated flow of water. The Babylonians improved timekeeping systems based on astronomical observations. The Greeks, meanwhile, developed advanced clepsydras to time speeches and events at the Olympic Games. In China, during the Han Dynasty, 206 BCE, 220 CE, sophisticated water clocks were created, featuring mechanisms with automated figures and sounds. The big leap came with mechanical clocks in the Middle Ages. The first documented tower clock was installed in Salisbury Cathedral, England, in 1386. These clocks had no faces or hands but marked hours with chimes. Islamic scientists also contributed with sophisticated astronomical clocks and the use of gears and weights. In 1656, Dutch scientist Christiaan Huygens invented the pendulum clock, revolutionizing timekeeping accuracy. In the 17th century, pocket watches became symbols of status and wealth in Europe. In the 18th century, John Harrison developed the marine chronometer, essential for precise navigation and cartography. The digital era. The 20th century brought advancements like the Quartz clock in 1969 and the atomic clock, which defines the second with incredible precision based on electron transitions in cesium atoms. The clock reflects humanity's creativity and need to organize time. From gnomons to atomic clocks, each advancement has driven the progress of civilizations. What invention do you think will revolutionize timekeeping in the future? Let us know in the comments.